Hello everyone, I'm Mark Schrader. I'm here at MarineMax in Venice, Florida with a 405 Conquest. It's a new trade, it's a 2021. We're going to do a quick walkthrough for you. If you have any questions about the detailed specs or anything, please call us here at the store. It's 941-485-3388. And again, I'm Mark Schrader. We'll start off in the cockpit here with a little overview. This is the grill. Summer kitchen area right here. We've got on the back for power, we've got quad 300 V8 Mercuries. So it does have the automatic engine flush system. That's an option. As I mentioned a minute ago, the summer kitchen. There is a jump seat in the back here. Down below, it's pretty much standard equipment, is the diesel generator. There's a fridge here, lots of storage, live bait well, and of course the very handy dive door, which is great getting in and out. If you look up a little bit, we've got the extended sunshade that comes out, telescopes out from there. This boat has the full height glass up the sides. This fridge here, which lifts up, and it does have the cooling plates, so it holds ice all day and drinks, which is very nice when you're on a long trip. And there's also cooling plates in the fish boxes. So down in the fish boxes there are cooling plates that again keep your ice and beverages nice and cool. As we come up in the cabin area, the salon, we've got a fridge and a freezer on the port side, an induction oven, and of course the helm here with 2 screens plus the engine information. The side windows, one on the starboard and one on the port, are manual and they actually open up. So it's really nice when you're driving the boat and you want to talk to your crew. You can stick your head out here and give them instructions. And it's also a nice, you get some nice airflow there too. Speaking of airflow, we've got 2 vents in the front windshield, the sunroof on top, and this area is all air conditioned as well, of course. So you're comfortable no matter what the weather is up here. You've got a lot of seating for probably 6 or 8 people really. On the port side, you've got another navigation screen. So actually, I've had people watch a ball game on this screen with satellite TV. This boat has satellite TV. So when we're underway, you can watch TV from wherever you are. And if you're navigating or driving and you get to the dock and you decide you want to be on the port side to do that, so we've got this other window over here. And again, we pop our head out and do the same thing as the other side. Got your joystick right there. Okay, as we move down below, here's the galley to our port with another induction grill. And then the bathroom is here too with a full shower. Very nicely done. This boat has a full stateroom in the bow, so it's really comfortable. As you can see, it's good size, so you can spend more than a weekend down here and it's big enough to be really comfortable. A good Bahamas trip for a couple weeks, you can do it on this boat and stay on board. There's lots of storage on the boat too. Lots of places to put luggage and stuff in here. So, you can keep things organized on the boat when you're on a longer trip. You got lots of places to put stuff. Good hanging lockers on each side. You got windows on each side to give you some natural light, and then a window overhead, a porthole overhead to give you some light there if you like. And a nice salon area right here. Nice dining area with a really nice teak table. It's beautiful. Very comfy. Room for probably 4 adults here, no problem. Porthole windows, lots of natural light up above. So again, this area is all air conditioned. It's very, very comfortable for a long trip or a short trip. So in terms of options, the boat has FLIR, gyro stabilized night vision, if you will. So it has the upgraded FLIR, open array radar, satellite weather, satellite television. It's really fully equipped and ready for a trip. Again, I'm Mark Schrader here at MarineMax Venice on a 405 Conquest. It's a 2021. If you want the full specifications and more information about pricing and so forth, please give us a call here, 941-485-3388. Thank you.